Also, guys, it's good. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope everybody is doing well today. It's a beautiful Monday. Yeah, a long time doing a stream here. Yeah, I've been doing streams though on the Learn and Earn platform quite more often lately. So we have like a Telegram community that you guys can actually join in, right? So yeah, let's get joining. Anyway, happy Monday to everybody. Happy Monday to everybody. Hopefully we are all good and ready to take on the markets. I haven't traded today so far personally. Yeah, I haven't yet. Someone says, Mr. Nas, what's up, man? Hope you're good. How you doing today? Hope you're good today. I'm just trying to, or something. So New York Sessions open bell is in about like 24 minutes. Yes, 24 minutes. All right, it's in about 24 minutes from now. I'm gonna be running you guys through a couple trades here shortly. All right, yeah, I'm gonna be running you guys through a couple trades here shortly, and hopefully that you guys have accounts with Exness. All right, not just for the sake of having it. Anyway, it's just ideally I'm trading with Exness personally, and I'll recommend that also, not for any other reason, but because I'm experiencing the best in all aspects of trading. I would say I'll recommend the same thing for you. And if it's your first time, I think this should be good. This should be a good platform for your trading, right? Yeah, I'm just trying to say something here. 1 minute, guys. So we're gonna go over some trades, right? Yeah. If you haven't taken any trade, we're gonna go over some trades together here shortly. So go invite your mates that we are live right now. We have 32 people now. Go invite your mates that we're live right now. All right, go invite your mates that we are actually live right now. All right, perfect. Someone says, how have you been? I've been good, man. How's it? How's last week? Last week wasn't good for me. I had a losing streak. Yes, I had a losing streak last week. I took a couple losses. Not that crazy, it was a very slow week for me. I'm hoping this week's going to be different, because you know what, sometimes in trading you have better weeks, you have bad weeks also, right? And you should learn to accept that. It's part of the game. It's just some people really want to kill themselves when they have a bad week, because you know why? It's because they've got terrible risk plans. They don't even know how to manage risks. All right, but that's the beauty of these streams, right? You come here, learn how to manage risks as well. At the same time, you come here and learn how to trade. Yeah. Welcome. Afternoon, man. Afternoon. Hope you're good. Yeah, I'm good. Hopefully you're super good too. Yeah, we haven't had a stream in a while, but this is us having a stream today, which is okay, right? Which is okay, absolutely fine. All right, let's look at gold quickly. All right, but before that, let's look at, do we have anything on the markets this week? We have a couple things. Yeah, we do have a couple things going on this week. Most importantly, we have CPI going on this week. Yeah, Wednesday we have CPI, which is an inflation report, right? Of course, we have PPI tomorrow, but normally I don't trade PPI myself. I would rather trade when the Fed chairperson is speaking around 4 p.m. tomorrow. Yeah, that should be good, because I know for a fact that we should have some amazing volumes at that time. Definitely, we always do. I'm sure we should get some amazing volume too tomorrow at not half past whatever. It's actually 4 p.m. Yes, 4 p.m. Half past 2 we have PPI, which also is an inflation report, but it's for the producer side of inflation. All right, and nobody cares about PPI. All right, I'm gonna tell you that nobody actually cares about PPI. We all care about CPI, not PPI. All right, guys. Yeah, we all care about CPI, not PPI. All right, so normally people trade. I personally trade CPI. I don't trade. I don't trade PPI. I trade CPI personally. All right, so yeah, we could be looking at that tomorrow. Right, should be an interesting trading day on Wednesday. Yeah, should be. But I don't think we have so much craziness this week. Yeah, I think last week was a little bit crazy because we just came from NFP, right? Yeah, we just came from NFP. Sometimes post NFP weeks are really crazy. But yeah, who cares? I mean, sometimes it's like that. So you just need to control your trading and understand what's actually required of you right? Anyway, this is a daily time frame for gold right now. We have a daily. How are you doing, Mr. I'm good, man. How are you doing? Not all days are Sundays. Yeah, they say that, but it's you know, you have to understand that. Yeah. Anyway, we are on gold right now. This is gold that we have on a daily time frame. One thing you will notice, obviously, is the fact that we have this candle. You see this candle? It's looking a whole lot bearish. Yeah, it is a bearish candle. All right. And for sure, we did create a low here. All right. But overall, markets are in an uptrend. All right. You guys can see that very strong uptrend. Is it that maybe markets are retesting this level? Could it be that they're retesting that level? Yeah, who knows? They could be. Right? Yeah. You know, they created support here. This was a Thursday. Yeah, after this whole rangy situation, they created support, very strong support. And this year was like a rejection that we saw here. All right, almost like an exhaustion, but not really that crazy. This that we saw here was a rejection. All right, I'm thinking maybe price is just coming to test this level. Then boom, that's what I'm thinking. Based on the daily time frame, it could head all the way to this level here, which is 24,000 actually. Yeah, we did hit 24,000 the other day. That was on the 19th. We hit 24,000 for the first time in, I don't know, but we hit 24,000. Yeah, you guys notice that? That's like history that was being made right there. Someone says, are you trading NAS today? Yes, I'll be looking at NAS as well. Right? I'm going to be looking at NAS as well. I can't see the comments. I don't know why you can't see the comments. But I think everybody can see the comments right now. Can you guys see the comments? I can see people commenting. So I don't know. You know, I'm pretty much sure a couple people can see the comments. Maybe it's just you. I don't know. Just check on your side. Maybe your divas or something like that. But anyway, let's look at gold on let's look at gold on a 4-hour time frame. All right, this is a daily time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour right here, 4-hour time frame. And based off the 4-hour time frame, I'm pretty much sure normally when I'm trading, right, I always look at the 4-hour time frame to extract sort of like areas of interest. All right, I call them, these are areas of interest, key interests, in the sense that obviously if markets are going to make any change, all right, they should create these areas here. Right, we had a very strong bullish run. Look at this on Thursday all the way to Friday. Bullish run. Look at that. Crazy, right? Anyway, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, right, if you zoom in close to the candles here that are most recent, realize that prices may be trying to create some sort of like support here. But I think so, you know, it hasn't yet. Yeah, it's trying to, right? Only if it breaks the high there, the high of this most recent candle, this one here. If we can break that high, because that's the high there, all right, this then will become a very strong support. All right, if we break that high, we could move all the way to the upside. All right, but at the same time, this is support. If you look at it also on a lower time frame, like maybe 30 or any other time frame, like maybe let's say 1-hour time frame and all that. Yeah, if you look at it, if you look at all those time frames, you obviously notice that preferably we did actually create some sort of like support, right? But if you look at also this high, we have a strong resistance area here. All right, maybe price might be trying to go to that level if he decides to go all the way up. Right, but if it doesn't, if he breaks this low, it could continue going downside all the way to this level. You guys see that level? Yeah, we could go all the way to that level, right? But currently we are actually accumulating buys. Now we could go down to a 30 minutes time frame. Man, I love the 30 minutes time frame. I trade on 30 minutes time frame. I make my entries on a 30 minutes time frame. Of course, sometimes I'll use like a 15, maybe 1-hour time frame, but I love the 30 minutes time frame. I won't lie you. Don't ask me why. I just love it. Right, if you trade on any of the time frame, that's you. I love my 30 minutes time frame. But now if you look at this here, doesn't look so solid for any entry as per se. Like if you're asked like, okay, do we have any execution now? No, we don't have anything right now. Maybe the best was actually somewhere here. All right, but it was a bit risky because we had a minor support. Yeah, but the best was maybe somewhere here when this candle broke the high of this resistance, minor resistance level that we saw here being created. Maybe that was the best for an entry, right? But maybe in this case, since we have this, I could wait maybe for a pullback, all right? Because I'm seeing that we are getting some sort of like wicks. You guys see the wicks, right? I could wait for a pullback, maybe to that same area of interest before continuation to the upside, right? Yeah, I think that should make sense. You know, I could wait for a potential pullback, all right, into that specific area, all right? So maybe pullback, okay, and then bush, moving to the upside, right? And that move up, all right, I don't know why this is happening. Maybe let's try it again. Pullback, then bang. Yeah, that should be like that. right? So this area here, I think I could consider this level, right? You see that level here? I could consider this level here, or maybe the next area of interest on this 30 minutes time frame, right? Meaning if we can maybe retrace downside, that's if we do, all right? Yeah, we should possibly, I don't know. You know, we could retrace, right? I think the best entry, right, was when this candle broke this resistance level, right? This candle, yeah, that should have been the best entry, because man, maybe if you were looking at that, it was going to be a situation like something like this. Okay, yeah, something like that. Okay, very simple approach. Maybe something like this, and your stop was maybe below the low of that same current candle, right? If you were looking at this at that moment, right? Yeah, so maybe this could be good, right? So somebody might ask, is it good to make an execution now? No, I wouldn't advise that you do so personally, because you know, market's already moving. Unless if you saw this happening earlier, right? That was good for an entry. Personally, I would say that based off the way I trade, this is going to be a good entry right there, right? Somewhere here when price broke that resistance level. Are we live trading gold live together? Well, I don't know what you're looking at, but this is us analyzing and trading live together. Do you want me to say buy now? Okay. Yeah. Been a long time since you went live. Yes, it's been a long time since I went live. Yeah. But I've been going live on a different platform. All right. Not like I abandoned YouTube. No. All right. It's just that we actually have a community. All right. You guys, I recommend if you're not in this community, yeah, go check it out. Okay. Hit me up, join. Look, these guys are trading today. Right. Guys, we're trading today. Beautiful. Totally beautiful. All right. Someone says, how did it take to withdraw what you withdrew over the weekend? Oh, okay. Yeah, I did withdraw something. Yeah, look at this. There's somebody. Yeah, I don't know. He's trying to act like he's me. You see this fake account on Instagram? Run away from these guys. These guys have... Look what this guy did here, right? Do you see what he did there? Yeah, you notice that? You see what he did right there? Crazy, man. Somebody's pretending to be me right there. And there's going to be somebody who's going to be finessed because of this guy. Yeah, but join this community. Maybe some of you guys are from this community, which is amazing. If you are not, hit me up and be part of this community, right? We always go live in here every now and then. nas100, yeah, we have a course in here as well. You find the course right there. We have a course that you can get access to. When you click right there, notice that there's a course that actually pops up, which each one of you guys can get access to. All these videos right here. We're not even done with the course anyway, so it's the right time to be part of this community if you want to. Right, because we still have like day 9, day 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have about like roughly 6 classes to go, all right, to complete this beginner's course, right? But so far, if you can get access, you'll find out that these videos will help you place your first trade, because there's so many concepts in here, things that I'm also looking at right now, all right? So you guys can join this and get access to these videos. Yeah, I think it's exciting that you do so. Yeah, it's good. Anyway, so if you're asking why don't you go live oftenly here, it's because I've been going live in that platform more often. Yeah. Are you able to use a bigger or more visible pointer? Not always able to see what you're pointing at. Oh, sorry, man. You just, I don't know. This is all I can use right now. This is all I can use. It's right here. I don't know. Just follow me. All right. I try to do that because I want to make the screen a whole lot more bigger for you. All right. Yeah. How you doing? I'm doing well, man. How's it? Are you good today? Are you good today? Hopefully you're good. Oh, yeah. What's this? I just received an email. Meta, whatever. No, okay. Oh, great. I was waiting for this, actually. Nice. Working overtime. Someone says, check NAS. I'm going to check NAS from here. But this is gold, right? Yeah, let's check out Nasdaq now. Let's look at Nasdaq. What's happening right there? It should be a bullish trend, I think. Yeah, because last time I checked, we've been strong on NAS. Yeah, we had a retracement there earlier and whatever, that kind of thing. Why is this thing taking time to load, though? Okay. There we go. Yeah, Nasdaq right now. Look at the 4-hour time frame. I think we have a strong support that's being created there. I think I need to reload this thing. Why is it taking time to load? I hate this. Yeah, I think I need to reload this. Let me check something here. Someone says, okay, I think I read that. Let me see why this is taking time to load, guys. I don't know. Let me try maybe do this. Okay, let's try reload the whole platform there. Maybe we're gonna experience better, right? Oh, we had this. I just lost the whole analysis here. It's okay anyway. We're gonna bring it back. Yeah, anyway, let's look at Nasdaq. Loading a whole lot faster now. Maybe it was a bag or something. Yeah, anyway, it's a 4-hour time frame here. I think we have a very strong resistance level right here. If we can break that level, potentially we can see markets fly. We had a support created here also. Equally, we had a support created somewhere here. All right, you guys notice that? Support, bang, right? Was this today? Yeah, it was today, midnight, right? So we broke the high there. And after we broke the high of this candle, markets flew to the upside, all right? Yeah, they flew to the upside. Maybe that was also a good trade setup, right? Yeah, it was probably a good trade setup if you look at it in this case, all right? Something probably is coming up there too. But perhaps if you looked at this here, all right, this could have been maybe a very good setup right there. Okay, when price broke this resistance level with this candle, maybe if you ended a buy there in hopes that price is going to go all the way to this high, that was a good one. That was a good one, I think so. But anyway, let's look at what currently might happen from here. All right, because if I'm looking at things, we have this here that's being created. You guys see that? All right, we have a support there that's being created because now all this is far off, all right, closest to the current market price. So we can't focus on that. We probably might just need to look at this area here. Right, if price can break this level, let's see how far can it go. I don't think we have anything on the left side. Yeah, it should create a new high. We don't really have. Oh, we have actually. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do actually. Nice. Yeah, okay. I think the highest we went was this 18,000 actually. All right. So yeah, end of the day, we have this level right there. Okay, that we could head on to, if we can break off this current sort of like a rangy situation. All right, so I could be looking for that coming up, maybe, who knows? All right, so maybe if this candle can break the high there, we could look for that potential move to the upside for Nasdaq. That's all I'm saying, okay? Potential move to the upside, that's all I'm saying. I'm not seeing any sells here going on. I'm not really seeing anything like that. So maybe potential move to the upside from here. All right, we have the opening bell in the next maybe like 7 minutes from now. Yeah, so that should be good. Are you using the FOMC? What do you mean by am I using the FOMC? They're not having a meeting today. It's tomorrow actually. How do you use that tool to show possible stop loss, take profit? It's actually a very easy tool. You just go on your not MetaTrader. You go on your trading view right down here. All right, here there's a long position, short position. All right, so basically if I'm looking for a buy up here, I can use this to understand my stop. And I can place right there to understand my TP. All right, so I can be like, you know what, fine. If we can break this level, all right, maybe I'm going to take a buy and I'm going to put my stop just below this resistance level, right? And this makes it a 1 to 2.4 risk reward ratio. Not that bad. Yeah, not that bad for trade. Not that bad for trade. Not that bad for trade. Are withdrawals back on Airtel Money? No. The right question should be, are withdrawals back on Exness using mobile money? Okay. Yeah, that should be the right question. Because absolutely, they are back. Yes, go try it out. Go try it out. You can withdraw whatever amount you want to withdraw. Of course, there's like a limit for, specific amount. Like you can't do more than, I think, 9,000, is it? At a go. Or you can do them in portions, like maybe 9 here, 9 there and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, they got back. They were under maintenance for some time, but now they're back. So you guys can check that out. All right, you guys can check that out. Most convenient, I think it's very convenient to use mobile money to withdraw and deposit, because sometimes you want to get some money quickly to you, and yeah, you just want to get it out on time. So I think it's very convenient. I think it's very convenient. Yeah. What the hell is this? I'm opening here. Yeah, so we wait for this. We see if maybe price can break this level, and maybe we can get a we can get a potential trade set up right there. When next are you opening up your course? I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's been a long time since we did any enrollment for that. Currently, I've been focusing more on helping new traders than those who just want to advance their skills and all that. Mostly, I've been focusing on helping new traders start up and stuff like that. Yes, but maybe in the future, we should open up soon. All right. But we had a bootcamp early this year. It was a beautiful one. I can't tell when next we're going to have another one. Don't ask me when. I don't know. That's if we're even going to have one. Yeah, but who knows? Who knows? So we have New York Station opening soon, in about maybe 4 minutes from now. We could look for that. If we can break this level, it'll be better. I had to take trades right at the open of the session, most cases, because there's a lot of chaos. But I mean, if it's an opportunity, it's an opportunity. Sometimes you just need to take it. You just need to take it. Yeah. Okay. How can I open up an account? There's a link in the description below. Just go check it. What do you call Nasdaq on Exness? It's US Tech. It's US Tech. Don't get it twisted. It's US Tech. Okay? That's what Nasdaq is. That's what it is. Yeah. Anyway, someone says, you have a good hat. Thanks. Thanks. You also have a good hat. Okay? You equally have a good hat. All right? Yeah, you also have a good hat, man. Thanks for that. I'm looking for a buy here. Looking for a buy here. Maybe if price can close bullish, then that should be good. It hasn't closed yet, so we can't look for that now. All right? It hasn't closed. We just need to wait. We just need to wait. How does it feel when 30K hits your account? Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. That's not too much money. Yeah, it's not too much money. You know what too much money is? Too much money has like maybe 8 zeros. That's too much money. But there's some guys who's that's not even too much money. You know, so it's not too much money. It's not. It looks like too much money if maybe you don't really get it often, in like in the sense of you don't really make that money often. But it's not really too much money. Not. And if you see that as too much money, you need to keep working on yourself. All right. You need to keep working on yourself. So hard, actually. All right, I'm trying to fund my account here also. Which account can I fund here? I already have one that's already funded somehow, but okay, let me fund this one here. Let me fund with maybe just $625. Yeah. Ooh, man, that candle just closed right there. Did you see that? Did you see that? Yeah, this is good. This is nice. I like what I see right here. All right, not like I'm entering now, but I like what I see. Yeah. Yeah, let this candle just maybe it should break its own high. Then we can look for that. Yeah. If that candle can break its own high, then that's when we can maybe get into this particular market. All right. Right now, I don't think we can. Yeah. You know, if this candle can break its own high, then we can get into this market. But we're going to use this low or whatever low this candle is going to create as a stop loss. Right? Yeah, that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do it live here together. And if we lose, we're going to lose together, okay? And people don't like the idea of losing, yeah? You know, but I mean, if you know how to trade, right? You obviously will understand how to risk. Like, oh, this is just basically how you go about risk, and you know, you use this lot size and you accept how much money you're gonna lose before you lose it. So, yeah. Because I should know if I'm gonna do a 5.2 lot on this asset, I should understand what that means, right? From the risk perspective of it. I should understand what that means. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Oh, no. I didn't mean to open this trade. Let me close. What's going on here? Okay. I'm waiting for this high to be broken. If we can break that high, we should be good. We should push all the way to the upside. Maybe my stop is going to be slightly lower thereafter if we get in profits, because I will try to maintain a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. Yeah, maybe I'll lower it to somewhere here. Right, we call that managing positions, right? Yeah, you're managing your position. Because trust me, if this candle was to break its own high and continue moving up, if the next candle comes and breaks the recent candle's low, the trend changes. All right, the whole trend changes. Right, so there's no need to actually keep holding trades, and that's the easiest way to cut down on losing way more than you should. All right, that's the easiest way. What do you think of sales and gold right now? I'm gonna check out that. I haven't. We're looking for buys earlier, depending on the market structure that was going to continue thereafter. But I don't know what's going on. I'll check it out. But right now, I have eyes on my favorite asset. You know, this is my favorite asset. Okay. We need to wait. No entry here. Nobody should come and be like, oh, did you guys enter? No, nobody entered this trade. I'm currently in sales and gold. Nice. Let's take it out while we're waiting for this guy to keep behaving. Maybe we'll behave. I don't know. You're in sales and gold. I don't think that's a good idea right now. Because there's no resistance that's been created. Yeah, I think this candle was trying to do what we're looking at. We're looking for retracement. This candle might be trying to do what we're looking at. Yeah. Maybe if you were to wait, you know, buys, I mean sells. Maybe if you waited to see if maybe this low can be broken, then that's when you can start looking for sells. All right. Yeah, because we have a low right there. Price, maybe the next candle breaking that low, then maybe we can go down. That could be a sign that price is really confident about going to the downside. But right now, the fact that we're breaking this this level here too, all right, you see this level, right, might mean that price wants to go all the way up. I think so, honestly. Just be careful on that trade that you have, you know. Yeah, I need to work on myself a lot, actually, because I thought it's so much money. Yeah, it's not actually, you know, it's not actually not Let me show you guys. Let me bring this side first. All right, I have got some confidential. Yeah, you see that candle? It's pushing up. It's pushing up. Let's look at NAS. I think that's my focus right now. Ooh, okay. It came all the way to this level. It's got a tendency of doing that sometimes, you know. Open. That's more reason why I like to say I let markets come down at the open. Give it a breather, you know, give it some time first. And then just, yeah, you know, no need to rush. I don't rush trades personally. But no need to rush it. Let me look at orders here. So I'm trying to We revert this back. And okay, perfect. Perfect. You guys using Binance to withdraw as well and deposit some days? I think I recommend it. Yeah, I recommend it. Yeah, you have all these P2P. I did a video on this explaining how you can do that when mobile money was down on Exness, because you know we needed to get money from Exness using mobile money, but we had to use Binance and all and so on and so forth. Right? Yeah, so I recommend that. So let me filter these here. I just want this out of things. Yeah, no, I want to else the stuff that was completed. Not this. Let me do all, and let's look at that. Reset. Okay, I withdrew about 39,000. When was this? This was on the on the 11th, which was just recently. 11th of April, right? Yeah, it was 11th. What the hell? Why isn't this stuff coming? Oh, it was May, not. Come on, man. Getting it twisted. Getting it all twisted. This was it. 39,000. Yeah. 1,400 USD. Just in case you don't believe trading works, right? You can get money like that. There's more you can get out than that anyway. It's just one of those. How do I use? Hit me up. There's some videos on how you can use Binance. Free. You can get access to that as well. Right, it's not for trading, just for the purpose of you getting your money out as a withdrawal method or something, and deposit method also. Yeah, you see this candle? This candle is rejecting right now, which is good. All right, it's rejecting right now, which is good. I would do an entry here, for that, and put my stop there, because I'm thinking this level here. If this level is broken, then maybe that's what we can be looking for. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in right now. Okay, yeah, I just went in right now. I just opened an order right now. I just did open an order right now. If price breaks this level, yeah, I think I'm gonna use this level as my stop below here, right? Kind of like you might say, why are you breaking your rules? Yeah, I could be breaking my rules here, but I'm trying to manage my risk also. All right, maybe I might add more positions if price breaks that high there. That's what I just did right now. Okay, guys, that's what I did right now. Okay, so I entered right here, somewhere there. I'm gonna have my TP overall to that level. I don't know if I might hold up to then. If I lose on this trade, I'm gonna lose maybe like $97. Imagine, only $97. Yeah, because MT5 shows you how much you're gonna lose. All right. If I lose here, I lose $95. Did I say you get in also? I didn't say that. Okay. Maybe you might want to wait for proper confirmation. Yeah. Yeah, but so that's one position that I just triggered. Nothing crazy. Nothing really crazy. This is what we call trying to trade a bounce. The candle hasn't closed yet. I'm hoping that maybe this candle can maybe reject around that same area and then go back up. If I get stopped, I'll wait again. Or if I get stopped, I'm gonna wait again. Yeah, I'm gonna try and wait and see how we could get back. All right, but it's just $97. So yeah, market's really coming close to my stop, actually quicker than I thought. Could be a rejection, who knows. I don't know too. It's Monday. James, you're flooding the comment section. Yeah. You know what? Let me close this trade. Let me close it. Yeah. Now I'm gonna leave it. James says, what is the criteria that you're gonna be using for break even in a trade? It depends with the trade situation. It depends. Sometimes I wait for a certain amount of points to get in profits before I can actually do break even. Yeah. Sometimes it's like maybe if I'm looking at gaining, like if this trade I'm looking at getting 100 points, maybe I'll wait to see if I can get 30, 40 points, 50 points. Yeah, then I can maybe like, oh, okay, fine. I'm gonna do break even. Right? Yeah, this one is a wacky. Right? Maybe it wants to retest this level. There's a level here too. You guys see this level here? Maybe. Ooh, I just lost $97 now. Yeah, I just lost $97. Nothing crazy. Okay, I'm saying I think maybe it might want to reject this area here. Yep. Who knows? Let's look at this way. Let's look at the fact that this is London's open. All right, the fact that was London's open somewhere there. Maybe price is trying to retest London's open. You know, could be. You know, the fact that this is London's open could be that price, and the fact that also that was Asian's high. All right, that was Asian's high. This is Asian's high here. This is London's high. That was London's open. So we have Asian high, number one. We have London's low, number two. All right, so maybe price wants to reject that area. Who knows? I don't know. Let's just wait and see. All right. Have you sent out any signals today? No, I haven't. If I get this as a very proper confirmed trade, I might. So if you're the signal platform, maybe I might send this if I get it as a confirmed trade. All right. I just took that, trade just not because I was gonna send it also. Yeah, someone says the kwacha has gained value. Really? I don't think so. It has by two kwacha against the dollar. Are you telling me that's gaining value? Okay, yeah, it is. Literal sense, maybe it is. Yeah, anyway, maybe this should be the area in focus. The fact that we have Asian's high, London's low, and equally we have New York's high there. The price came to retest. On the other side, maybe I could be looking at things in this way. All right, let's take out this. I could be looking at things in this way. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, all right. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Does this befit to be a retracement area from this level actually? Yeah. Nah. What's this? On a retracement 2, not that. Where's my fib level here? There it is. So if we put it from there to somewhere here, yeah, that looks befitting. That looks befitting. That's like 35 points. Yeah, that's like 35 points. Looks befitting. Doesn't look that bad. More of trading a bounce than trading a proper confirmed trade, if you were to ask me. More of that. More of that. But let's see. All right. Someone says, is analysis solely based on candlestick support resistance? No. That's all you see when you come here. That's all you see. All right, that's all you see, which is okay. I allow you to see this, to see it from this perspective, rather. Yeah, but end of the day, probably there could be more to it than that. Yeah. Anyway, let's look at gold. What's happening on gold? Gold is pressing down. Okay, now it looks good for sell, because if you were to take out this and look at the fact that price is breaking the resistance, is breaking this low, the low of the previous candle, that now looks okay. All right, that now looks okay. Probably price failed to continue moving to the upside. I would understand why, because still in a strong downtrend, ideally. The fact that if you look at the daily candle, it broke the low of the previous day's candle. That could also make sense, So yeah, I wouldn't take sells though, personally. If you were to ask me, I wouldn't here. I would only if maybe price broke the low here. You see this low? If price broke this low here, maybe I would be interested in sells. But right now, I don't think I would. Yeah. It just looks like maybe what if it wants to retrace and boom, okay? I wouldn't. Maybe if price was to break this low, because we are close. It's like maybe like 15, 20 pips. Yeah. So if maybe price can break there, maybe I would be interested. As much as it doesn't, I won't be. Okay. What other assets do you trade? I trade a couple assets, BTC, USD. I trade a couple currencies some days when I feel like. Mostly I trade gold these days. A bit of Nasdaq. Yeah, slow down a bit on trading Nasdaq these days. But I do trade it, yeah, sometimes these days. What's your say on sentiment analysis, the use of COD data? Well, it all comes down to what you prefer. Honestly, I just find that stuff a whole lot complicated. It's too complicated for me. I'm not too smart for that. All right, I'm not too smart for that. But if you are smart for it, go ahead and do it. Yeah, you get it right. I have an account, but I don't know how to use it. Hit me up. I'm gonna get you into the Learn and Earn community, so you learn how to trade. You learn how we trading actually. All right, so you could actually be you could be informed. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, I am. I trade for a living. I'm a full-time trader. All right. So besides trading, I've got a couple of things that I'm doing. You don't want to know about them. Okay, you just don't want to know about them. But I trade full-time. Someone says gold is moving. Yes, this is the move you're talking about right now. Great, man. Great. Big ups to you. How to look at GJ? I will look at GJ too. Do fundamentals change the market direction or just add volatility to the intended direction? Not really. They could change the market direction. They could. You know, they do in most cases. You know why? Because fundamentals is the backbone of Forex, right? Whatever is happening in the real world is actually what you're seeing in candlestick form on the charts, all right? So if there's a strong dollar in real world and there's a reason why we have a strong dollar, all right, it's pretty much because there's something that's happening in real world and you're going to see it on the charts like here. Like, okay, fine. Right now we have a strong dollar now, right? Maybe that's why we are seeing gold going down, okay? So there's reasons, obviously, fundamentally. All right. Yeah. There are what we call also pivotal events, right? Like things like FOMCs and, you know, inflation and also things like, let's say what? Things like employment, you know, those are pivotal events, right? They can cause a random shift in the direction of the overall market. All right. Deep blues on gold. Nice. Good for you, Christian. Good for you. Nice. Yeah. So the things like that, they can cause a huge shift to the markets. All right. They can cause it, and even things like, let's say, geopolitical you know, factors. You saw what was happening recently, Israel situations and all that. All right, still happening, but yeah, things like that do cause changes in the overall direction of the markets. Like COVID time, I was trading in COVID time, made I think a couple money in COVID time. Yeah, pretty much because we had a very good market environment. Yeah, I know most assets were really sailing, but we're taking advantage of that because we understood what was happening fundamentally. All right. So yeah, if you have that also figured out, you could obviously experience some good trading environments in such times. There could be bad times in literal sense, but for markets, maybe there could be a good environment for them. All right. Do you plan on trading for the rest of your life? No. Who trades for the rest of their life? Right now, I'm just in my accumulation phase. You know, accumulation phase, where you make as much money as possible. You put it, invest it, and then when you are done doing that, you can chill off. You know, you can just chill off, and that is it. Yeah. Who wants to trade for their whole life? This thing is stressful, man. This is stressful. You want to do this your whole life? No, that should not be the goal. Like, I'm just going to be trading forever. No, that's not the goal. The goal is to make as much, accumulate as much. And after you're done doing that, you can maybe invest in other things and just look at other things. All right. Yeah. Gold is moving right now. Nice. All right. Embrace this level. It's got a potential of moving all the way to this level here. All right. There's a potential of that happening. The move started right there because of this candle closing